learn how to write a new script letter. But before that, I will ask you few things and you will have to answer me. I just wanted to know whether you can recognize and whether you remember all that we have done till now. Okay, so let's begin. Tell me, which letter is this? Can anybody guess? Come on, tell me. Yes, it's script letter G. And next question. Can you guess which picture is this? Anybody? Yes, it's a lion. And what for lion? Yes, it's L for lion. And tell me, what is this? A moon. And what for moon? Yes, M for moon. Correct. So today we are going to learn how to write script letter M. So are you all ready, children? Let's start.
Now children, in ABC Fun B part, open page number 2828. Script letter M. M for mask. Mask is used to cover our face. And children, you must be wearing during parties and birthday, right? M for money. Money means rupiah ke paisa. M for mushroom. It is a type of vegetables. Children, તમે હોટલમાં જાય ત્યારે પીઝા ખાઈ એમાં મશરૂમ આવે ને? Yes. M for medicine. When we fall sick, then doctor gives us medicine. M for medal. તમે કોઈ પણ ઇવેન્ટ કે રેસીસમાં જ્યારે વિન થાય ને ત્યારે તમને મેડલ મળે ને? યસ. નાવ લેટ્સ ડુ વન મોર ટાઈમ રીડિંગ. સ્ક્રિપ્ટ લેટર M. M for mask, M for money, M for mushroom, M for medicine, M for medal. Now on page number 2929. Script letter M. Draw one related picture for M. Children, here one box is given and we have to draw one related picture of letter M. So we will draw mushroom. Now first draw one sleeping line, then leave some space and draw another sleeping line. Then join this line with curves. Okay. Then draw one more big curve over here. Then from the sleeping line, draw opposite C curve, and join this curve with sleeping line. And in this big curve, draw circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. M for mushroom. Trace and write. Let's trace letter M. First blue line to second blue line, standing line. Go up on the same line. Curve on the first blue line. Come down. Go up on the same line. Curve on the first blue line. Come down and touch the second blue line. Children, you have to trace this M. Now, let's write one more time. First blue line to second blue line, standing line. Go up on the same line. Curve on the first blue line. Come down. Go up on the same line. Curve on the first blue line. Come down and touch the second blue line. Script letter M. Children, like this way you have to complete these lines. Now playway exercise. Join the dots from A to M and make the moon. Children, here script letters are given from A to M and we have to join the dots. So we will get moon. Come on, let's start from A. After A, B, C, D, E, then F, after F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. What is this? Moon. M for moon. Like this way, you have to complete this exercise.